This is a new ice cream vending machine making and selling ice cream with cone. We see or enjoy this kind of ice cream in McDonald's and KFC. And now, people who like ice cream do not need to go to McDonald's/KFC or other ice cream stores. Such ice cream will be supplied where we go at random, such as squares, parks, scenic spots, airports, subways, schools, etc. We do not need to open a special shop with special employee to manage the machine. We only need to make daily management with 20 minutes for one time, and it can be run in various places. Now introduce the main functions of the machine. Feed 30 liters of raw materials and 120 pieces of ice cream cone each time. It is easy to feed and clean. The machine has monitor function. If there is no ice cream cone, no raw material or no change of coins, the machine will send messages to your phone. If you want to know the status of the machine in real time, you can send inquiries to the machine and it will feed back the amount of sale, raw material and ice cream cone, and the abnormal information to you. The total power is 2500 W when the machine starts to sell, and 300 W when it stops selling. The produce capacity is 15 liters per hour. Thank you.